Before we look at question number 10, I want to look at some prescription abbreviations. And these abbreviations stand for how many different times medicine should be taken in a day. So BID stands for 2 times a day, TID means 3 times a day, and QID means 4 times a day. So kind of a trick to remember it, B is like bicycle, which has 2 wheels. T is like tricycle, which has 3 wheels. For Q, I guess it would be like a quad. Q4H, that stands for every 4 hours. Q6H is every 6 hours. Q8H is every 8 hours. Now, every 4 hours, this is equivalent to 6 times a day, or 6 doses a day. And that's because 4 divides into 24 6 times. If you divide 6 into 24, you get 4. So Q6H is equal to 4 times a day. And then Q8H is going to equal 3 doses a day because 8 goes into 24 3 times. So you'll notice that the TID and the Q8H are similar, same with the Q6H and the QID. The difference is that Q8H is very specific about every 8 hours. It has to be every 8 hours. Whereas TID is a little bit more lenient. You just need to take it 3 times a day, but the 3 times don't necessarily have to be completely evenly spaced out. Okay, number 10 says 200 mcg per kilogram BID for 1 day is ordered for a 137-pound patient. If the available solution is 0.3 grams per 10 mLs, how many mLs are given to the patient in the day? So I want to start with the weight. So we're always starting with the weight. So 137 divided by 2.2. And rounding that to the nearest tenth, we get 62.3 kilograms. Next, I want to find the rate that has the kilograms. That's going to be right here. And I want to solve this proportion. And we get 12,460 mcg. Then I want to find out how much liquid this is going to be. So 0.3 grams over 10 mLs, and I'm setting this equal to 12,460 mcg over x. I cannot solve this yet until I convert. So 0.3 grams is going to be 300,000 mcg. And that gives me 0.4 mLs. And then lastly, this says BID for 1 day. So this is the 4th thing that I have to work with. So it's going to be 0.4 times 2. And again, that times 2 is coming from the fact that they say BID. And that gets you 0.8 mLs.